Hi tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. If you're tech crazed and need the creme de la creme of 2025 technology, then you're in just the right place. Today we're counting down the top tech gadgets that are not just futuristic, but are actually transforming our lives, our work, and our entertainment. From home automation to wearable technology, it is the ultimate countdown that you can't afford to miss. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments below. What device are you most excited for? I'm reading all the comments. Imagine the following. It is 6 a.m. Your AI alarm clock gently awakens you with gentle light that mimics sunlight. You wear your next generation smartwatch, which tracks not just your heartbeat, but also your stress, hydration levels, and even air quality. You walk into the kitchen to find that your smart coffee machine had already brewed your perfect cup. This is not a movie. This is your reality in 2025. Let's count down the best tech gadgets of 2025 that are making it happen. Gadget number 1, smart AR glasses. First up, the much anticipated augmented reality glasses. These AR smart glasses overlay real-time data onto your surroundings. Imagine walking into a meeting and being able to see all the names and LinkedIn profile floating next to them. With gesture control technology, you don't even need to touch a screen. Just swipe the air to make calls or navigate your day. That's the pinnacle of wearable tech. Leave a comment below if you'd wear these to work, or maybe on a date. Gadget number 2, foldable smartphones 3.0. And then, of course, there is the foldable smartphone, this time with a twist. The 2025 versions are thinner, more durable, and even waterproof. Flexible displays mean your phone unfurls into a tablet in seconds. AI-based assistants drive these phones, which learn your habits, predict your needs, and even help you produce content with 4K quality cameras and advanced editing software already built into the phone. If making videos is your interest, this device is a fantasy. Gadget number 3, smart home robots. Robo Mansions, home robots that cook for you, clean for you, and keep you company. The latest models have voice recognition capability so that they answer to only you. Some even possess emotional AI to sense your mood and adapt according to that. Just imagine walking in from work and your robot having already cooked dinner, adjusted the thermostat setting, and played your favorite playlist. Leave a note. Would you ever leave dinner plans with a robot? Gadget number 4, next-gen fitness trackers. Fourth up on our list, fitness watch monitors that do a whole lot more than track the number of steps. These new health wearables monitor blood oxygen, sleep patterns, and even possible early indicators of illness through biosensor technology. Live health analytics mean you'll never be wondering when to drink up, rest up, or fire up your workouts. Gadget number 5, super smart TVs. And lastly, let's talk about 8K smart TVs with virtual assistants built in. You can have all the devices in your house work for you, from lights to security, simply by issuing voice commands to your TV. And with AI upscaling, old movies look like they were shot in Ultra HD. So here's our top tech gadgets 2025. AR smart glasses, foldable smartphones, AI home robots, fitness trackers, 8K smart TVs. These devices are not just cool, they're revolutionizing our lives. If you witnessed something here that blew your mind, such as this post, and don't forget to comment below. Which of these future devices are you budgeting for this year? Before you go, remember, the cutting-edge technology world is transforming at breakneck speed. Keep it tuned, folks, because we'll be keeping you up to date with the latest innovative devices, tech trends, and smart home gadgets coming to your doorstep. Make sure you're subscribed so you won't miss more in-depth dives into future technology, gadget reviews, and tech trends. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're thinking about these best tech gadgets. Later, keep dreaming big and stay on the cutting edge with the greatest tech that 2025 has waiting for us. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.